You are the light of the world, a radiant flame born to brighten the path of others. Let your light shine afar, touching hearts, healing wounds, and spreading the glow of kindness wherever you go. As the festival of lights dawns upon us, let every lamp we light become a prayer for peace in our homes, truth in our words, justice in our deeds, and friendship that bridges every divide. May the soft glow of the diyas remind us that darkness is not forever, that one small spark of goodness can transform the night into dawn. This Diwali, let us celebrate not just with lamps and sweets, but with the light of understanding, the warmth of compassion, and the spirit of togetherness. Let every home be bright, every heart be pure, and every soul be filled with hope. On behalf of Montfort School, Dhenkanal, we extend our heartfelt wishes. May the light of peace, truth, justice, and friendship shine afar and forever. Wishing you all a joyous, safe, and blessed Diwali.